Earlier this year, American Airlines announced plans to downsize in some cities and fired more than 300 customer service workers in Phoenix alone. The airline industry is just one of the areas where mass customer service layoffs are happening. It begs the question, can shrinking customer service staff really lead to better service quality, like many of these companies promise? And how are these employees being replaced? Consultant Richard Weylman is joining us now. Richard, thanks for being with us.
Thank you, Jamie. Good to be with you today.
What's going on here?
Well, this is a grand scheme to how we're going to reduce cost, and at the same time, we're going to in some way improve service. But the reality is that today, the consumer is absolutely fed up with the lack of consistency in service. AI has its place, no question, but AI can't personalize and humanize the interaction that people really want today with their provider. Therein lies the great challenge. I think it's the wrong decision that's going to push American Airlines further down the list of disliked airlines as a result.
And you know, you just hit on something I was thinking. Airlines are kind of in a sketchy spot in many of our minds right now. A lot of folks are kind of trying to drive if they can just to avoid the airlines altogether. So to make this move, is this really detrimental in moving forward as a company?
Absolutely. And I'll give you a quick illustration. I was flying into Dallas, Texas, from another location. I was speaking at a conference there that afternoon. So I flew into Dallas, Texas, and on my luggage, I have my phone number with green masking tape on the luggage, just in case. Long story short, I get to baggage claim, bag never comes, the carousel never moves. I go to the customer service person there and said, I'm waiting for my bag to come up, and everybody was on that flight. This is 7 o'clock in the morning, was probably commuting. The carousel never turned on. He's, well, let me check. He looks at the computer. He says, well, sorry, your bag's no longer at the airport. I said, well, I've been here for 30 minutes and there is no bag, and the carousel never moved. He's, well, it's not here at the airport anymore because the tag has disappeared. He said, well, let me call downstairs. And just at that time, my phone rang. I answered my phone and the guy said, hi, this is Bruno. I'm in Dallas, Texas. Are you coming through Dallas today? I said, yes. And who are you with? He said, American Airlines. I'm downstairs in baggage and we ripped your tag off, so we don't know where to send this bag. He said, where are you going? I said, I'm up in baggage claim in Dallas waiting for the bag. He said, I'll put it on the carousel for you.
Oh my
And he
gosh.
did. So I guess the question is, well, how's AI going to handle that situation? Just
Right.
curious.
Yeah, no doubt about it. And you know, it felt like when Twitter came along, the airlines wanted to rebook you via Twitter DMs and whatnot. And now maybe they're looking to AI. But thank goodness for Bruno over there, huh?
Absolutely right. Who's going to replace him in the AI platform? I'm a huge advocate of AI. It does a lot of great things, but the one thing you can't do is that which it is that people are looking for. And people are only looking for four things today. They want kindness and thoughtfulness and caring and empathy. And those four things elevate the experience. And here's the key, Jamie. When you elevate the experience, regardless of what business you're in, you build an emotional engagement with your constituents, with your customers, and those individuals, those four E's, elevate the experience to create an emotional engagement. Those four E's deliver customer loyalty and advocacy. When you go to AI, those pieces of the puzzle are going to be lacking. It's
And
going to cost them money.
those four elements there we could utilize in our lives, in our personal businesses, and our personal affairs. So give them to me one more time.
Okay, so what are people looking for today? They want kindness, thoughtfulness, they want caring, and they want empathy. People are going through a great reevaluation. Am I with the right firm, with the right company, right restaurant, or airline? Am I getting my hair done the right, whatever the case might be.
Yep.
So they want kindness, thoughtfulness, caring, and empathy. And the way to do, when you do that, you deliver an elevated experience, which creates an emotional engagement, and no amount of marketing dollars is going to dislodge that customer from you.
Richard, thank you so much. Thanks for being with us. Teaching us
My
a life
pleasure.
lesson there as well with some good customer service. Have a great weekend.
You do the same. Hi to all my friends here in the area. Thanks so much. Take
Bye, Richard.